Oh, she is gorgeous out. The snow is gone. There's still some snow up north that we're gonna rip, but I wanted to show you guys this first. The Bluetti Elite 300. This thing is a beast. It's kind of hard to see right now because it's so bright outside, but looks like we got 34% in it. That's what it came with, obviously. I did a little unboxing there. This is our charger. This is all our cords. We got 2400 watt output, 4 different plugs. Lots of different output plugs. You got 10 amp, 12 volt plug. Your SIG lighter, that's what I call those. And then we got your input to charge it. This thing is a beast. It's got some weight to it, but it's a good little size. As you can see, sitting on my tailgate. That's how big it is. It's got some nice little handles on the top. And our charger here. When we need to charge it back up, what do we got? All the different panels here. I gotta figure all that stuff out. But yeah, I got this a few weeks ago and then I was quite sick. So I just left it in the box until I was ready. Man, this thing literally has everything. I cannot wait to test this thing out. Take her on the trail, take it camping, take it up north. Oh, it'll just be handy to charge, you know, cameras, drones, anything. Just run with anything. It does have an app that comes with it as well, iOS or Android. Definitely have to check that out. Yes, Bluetti Elite 300. And obviously we got all your USB-Cs, USB-A, 15 watt, 100 watt, 140 watt if you really want to get the juice pumping. And yeah. All right, we will definitely do some more videos down the road. Look at that plug. Holy, you can charge your Tesla with this thing. Yeah, we're gonna head up north now. It's gonna be an early morning, but maybe we'll bring this, maybe not, we'll see, but we'll definitely get some more videos done. Check them out, link below. Here we go. She's a gorgeous day at the on-ramp. What's up, Marksman 408? We're back. We're gonna do some ice riding. Spring has come quick, Taylor.
Morning.
Hi.
What up? What up?
So we did lose one here. Taylor just noticed it, but you know what? We got 1,000 more, so we're good.
We're good.
Rock and roll. Let's do this. Hopefully this doesn't bankrupt us. What are we paying? $1.69 for. Basically free. Let's roll.
4 cents more than diesel.
Oh, there you go. Oh look, diesel is free. There's nothing there. We have made it. Bit of freezing rain back home this morning, but it's -6 up here. Yeah, a little chillier. 4-hour drive. We got the igloo jump. We're gonna do some drifting. You look warm.
We're good.
Yeah, that's cool. Good to go. Team Dunnies.
Team Dunlop.
Let's get her out. Apparently we did lose a couple studs.
Yeah, I see more.
Seymour butts. I think I brought a box though, so we'll insert some more. That's why they're cheap. Let's throw an extra set on. Bring her back. Yeah. Good thing we washed it before we came. Ooh, this thing's gonna be fun, especially on this ice. Last time we rode, there's about 4 inches of powder, so this should grab a little gooder. And this is the igloo. I already don't feel safe walking underneath this, but it's fine. Holy, bit of snow removal. Oh hey! Chainsaw guy.
Oh hey, I know you.
Did you carve all that out by yourself?
Not by myself, me Terry, yeah.
It's a lot of snow.
System.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, just kept pushing?
Well, we had this little tiny TMU excavator too.
Oh, yeah.
And that's how we like started. Well, so the hole through the middle was a skid steer.
Oh,
Did the
okay.
whole hole through the middle.
Yeah.
And then all the sides was a skid steer, TMU excavator and chainsaw and this 4-wheeler.
And a couple pops. Lots of fun.
In a bunch of days.
In a bunch of days. Gonna get a little track out on the ice going. I don't know who's racing their sleds out on here today, but I had hip surgery on Wednesday, and I will not be jumping anything today. It would not go over well. We do not need to rip my stitches out. As fun as it would be. She's fresh. She's fresh here. Sorry, I accidentally stopped recording there. I got excited. I was trying to zoom in on your sweet glasses and the camera couldn't handle it.
They're Guido.
They're Guido. Yeah. Is that real gold?
Oh, it's real gold.
Good.
14 karat, yeah.
Ah, fingers, they're good, yeah. We need some heat seaters in this thing. Oh yeah, just like that. Throw the old corner down. Get the thumb in there, right, Tail?
Yeah.
The track is coming together out there. She's pretty slushy underneath, so the old piston bully was struggling a little bit. Oh, the old 747's about to take off here. Why doesn't your truck sound like that?
It's not that cool.
We can get the Sawzall out and make it cool. That's how the pros do it. Well, we ripped some fast laps. There's a couple low spots where it's all slush and water, so we got, as you can see, a little wet. We got a bit of a low tire there. Should we pump her up? Is there a battery in that thing?
No, and there's no air. You got an air.
There was an air chuck. Oh, it's on the, should be on the back, unless it fell out. Yeah, it fell out. It probably fell out on the highway. Uh-oh. Rut roll. This piece of plywood was sticking up when we got here. There's the one air
that?
kid.
The blow gun.
She hovers around.
I might have one in my
I
truck.
bet it fell out.
That one was gnarly.
I feel like you might see some Tim Hortons coming up soon.
Uh-oh.
Good. It'll freeze quick though. Did we lose any more screws?
The backs are not looking mint.
Well, we had too many, so
We had too many.
Try to get rid of a couple.
Oh, buddy, yeah, you're... Oh.
Hey, don't judge. Well, the tire screws did not like this tire apparently. Got 2, 3, a couple down there. Yeah, we were turning left the whole time, so I don't know if that made a difference. This tire was kind of a little lower than the other ones because they did some burnouts with this one, so the screws didn't hold in as well, as you can see. Front one's held up fine. And this one went flat for some reason. We're not really sure why. We can't hear any air. Lost a couple, but not as many as that. You know what? There might be a recall on that tire.
There needs to be a recall.
There should be a recall.
I want to go around
Here,
the
quick
side
swap.
too and fucking double.
See if we can delete all these. There you go. Yeah, great day for a great day. We lost a couple studs. Wasn't the plan. I used Tapcon's roof screws. I probably should have used wood screws. I used metal screws. So yeah, and this tire was on the rear before and I burnt a lot of it off, so it's actually, the lugs aren't as big as that one. And I had to put them on a bit of an angle. And I feel like that's why we lost them. These are actually sticky right now because they've been burning so hard. Look at that. Anyways, I think he's gonna get the old Jeep out. Show us how it's done. Up! Oh, here we go. The big hill. Rock and roll. And yes, she's very slushy out there, as you can see. We found the ice. They were making me feel bad because there were studs all over the ice from mine. Turns out it was these studs. It wasn't even mine. Yeah, that front tire. You cannot turn right at this point. She only goes left. Man, the myth, the legend. Look at that thing needs studs. Apparently this thing doesn't have reverse. You're a good reverse skier. I am reverse. No, you're good for this. Not too bad. I just feel like I'm gonna tip the whole time. Oh! Time to load her up and get her out of here. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Hit some jumps. Figure out your tire studs. Some work, some don't. These ones are, I'm gonna say 60%. And they're cheap. So anyways, have yourself a fantastic day. See you guys later.